Mastering the GMAT and GRE, understanding their structures. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the GMAT and GRE test formats. These exams can be daunting, but by understanding their structure, you can increase your confidence and perform at your best. Let's explore the sections that make up these tests. Remember, knowledge is power. The Graduate Management Admission Test, or GMAT, is a computer adaptive test primarily used for admissions into business schools. Here's what you need to know about its structure. 1. Analytical Writing Assessment, AWA. This is a 30-minute section where you'll be required to write an essay critiquing a given argument. 2. Integrated Reasoning, IR, spanning 30 minutes. This section evaluates your ability to process and combine information from various sources. 3. Quantitative Section. Over 62 minutes, you'll face both problem-solving and data sufficiency questions, focusing on arithmetic, algebra, and geometry. 4. Verbal Section. This 65-minute section tests your reading comprehension, critical reasoning, and sentence correction skills. It's worth noting that while the AWA and IR sections do not directly contribute to your main 200 to 800 GMAT score, they're still crucial components of your test performance. The Graduate Record Examination, or GRE, is a standard test for many graduate school admissions, spanning a broad range of disciplines. Here's a breakdown. 1. Analytical Writing. This section consists of 2 essays, 1 issue, and 1 argument, and gives you a combined 60 minutes to complete both. 2. Verbal Reasoning. Divided into 2 sections, each 35 minutes long. This tests your reading comprehension, text completion, and sentence equivalence skills. 3. Quantitative Reasoning. Also divided into 2 35-minute sections. This gauges your arithmetic, algebra, geometry, and data analysis abilities. 4. Research or unscored section. Occasionally, you might encounter an extra verbal or quantitative section, which won't contribute to your score but is used for ETS research purposes. Remember, you won't know which section this is, so treat every section seriously. There you have it, the structures of the GMAT and GRE laid out for you. Understanding the format of these tests is a key step in your preparation. We hope this breakdown aids in your study journey. Stay focused, stay prepared, and remember, every step you take brings you closer to your academic goals. Until next time.